I know they got rid of Backpage. Well, it's still there, but they took the hookers out. It's
They
like
did the same thing on Craigslist.
It's like Backpage Lite. The same Backpage, just with less hookers.
You know what? All of these other sites put them out of business because of video.
Yeah, I mean, just OnlyFans is the thing now. They don't even need to fuck you anymore. They can just send you a video of them like tweaking their nipples or something.
It's so many of them now. It's
dudes
that
just busting their pants.
X. They got some other shit called fan some shit. I forgot how I don't want to even promote them. It's so many of these sites.
Later.
You got the Cam shit. I don't want to even say the last part. Cam S. They got all these different places that you could go to now. That
Chatterbait.
Right. There's so many different places that you could go that you could just boom pop in and see some fucking whatever you want to see. So it's like they put them out of business because of that. If it wasn't for video put a lot of the websites out of business for sure.
Yeah, the
traffic was way higher.
The 90s, man. They took out the hookers and the VHS tape.